Okay. Now, before I explain business ecosystem, uh, Amazon and Flipkart are big competitors. They keep fighting with each other. That they keep competing with each other. Do you think they help each other? Is there a way they help each other? What is the help they can do for each other? Okay, quality improves. Okay, what else? How else they can help? See, quality improves and all. I give competition. That's okay. See, I have competition from other faculty. I try to enhance my quality. That's one way. Okay. How else can they help each other? Yeah, Flipkart can create market for Amazon. Amazon can create market for Flipkart. The market creation can be done together. So business ecosystem basically says you need to have competition as well as cooperation. Competition as well as cooperation. So Flipkart and Amazon, let's take the example. By creating a robust e-commerce platform, Flipkart has built a network of supplier. Almost the similar network of supplier can work even for Amazon. Yeah, one sets up warehouse, other one can also use. Another example which has come in live online. One sets up the warehouse, other one can also use. Network of supplier, logistic partner. Who creates the customer? Either one of them has to create or both of them. So today Amazon may focus on rural areas. They'll create a market in rural areas. Flipkart may become beneficiary. This ecosystem enabled Flipkart to grow rapidly, become one of India's leading e-commerce company. They have done some strategic partnership also. I'll discuss about strategic partnership in the last segment of the chapter called supply chain partnership. There's something like that also. Amazon India, leveraging its global experience, Amazon built a comprehensive ecosystem in India involving sellers, logistics and delivery partner. Who helped them? Flipkart indirectly helped them, or Amazon is indirectly helping Flipkart. One guy is going to help the other person. This is called business ecosystem, where you all of them are there. In a business ecosystem, there are beneficiary, there are adverse impact people like small retailers who are not able to fight with this bigger people like Amazon and Flipkart. Let's first see from a definition point of view. Network of different business and organization. Network of business and organization includes supplier, distributor, customer, competitor, government agency. Could be related to the concept which you saw, supply chain, but supply chain may not include items like competitor. Competitor is not part of the supply chain. Competition is not part of supply chain. Government agencies are not part of supply chain, but supplier is there, distributor is there, customer is there. All they were part of my supply chain. So related to this, now onwards the terms would be easier for you to grasp. Companies, this is a term which is said. Companies in an ecosystem are like animals in a community. The animals keep trying to adapt to the situation to survive. They keep adapt to the situation to survive. This is a technical term given in the study material itself, saying that they are like what? Animals in a community. So companies is part of ecosystem, animals is part of community. Animal will have to keep adapting to survive. If you do not adapt, you may get killed by a bigger animal. Or you may starve, you may face certain issues and suddenly face a death. Similarly, companies can face a death. Impact. Companies should do collaboration. And form what? Partnership and alliances. If at all an Amazon and a Flipkart collaboration can happen, it's a great thing. Like Flipkart collaborated with Myntra. In that example, Flipkart collaborated with Myntra. It does create a bigger market. This strategy is better than trying to be best on their own. What business ecosystem says is, don't try to say that you are best. An animal should not say I am the best. An animal link with another animals together, form a team. A team can perform or can compete with Amazon. Today, I cannot compete with Amazon. But if thousands retail stores join together, do some strategy and try to fight it with Amazon, maybe maybe you can do something, maybe you can do something. So do collaboration. Don't have a strategy saying that I am the best, I am the best. That will not work. No, you are not the best, you are not the best. Rather than trying to be best on your own, try to collaborate and work together. Try to collaborate and work together. One example of a collaboration is innovation ecosystem, which happened during COVID-19. During COVID-19 vaccine manufacturing, nobody were fighting with each other. They were saying let's try to collaborate and do things together. Also, let's try to collaborate and do things together. Silicon Valley tech ecosystem. Silicon Valley ecosystem is in US. Most of the well-known IT companies like Google and all stay there. So that is an ecosystem which is created. Because of that ecosystem, you get maybe good availability of manpower, good availability of, if all automobile companies are there in Chennai, you will find it easier to get the raw material. In Chennai, you will find it easier to get the raw material. In Chennai, you may find it easier to get the manpower also. Manpower as well. Companies need to decide whether they want to be part of an ecosystem, determine their role and see what benefit they can get. Types of business ecosystem. Innovation ecosystem which focuses on what? Collaborative innovation. Example, COVID-19 vaccine. Platform ecosystem. What is platform ecosystem is? Today you want to create an app and want to monetize it, either use Google's Play Store or use Apple's App Store. These are the two major platforms which you can use. These are the two major platforms we can use if at all you want to develop an app. So I have a core product or a service with certain supplementary offering, but this is a platform I provide. This is a platform where I provide, where too many people join together. Service ecosystem. What a service ecosystem is? I provide a set of services to you. I provide a set of services to you. Example, Airbnb, which connects Airbnb, host, guest, local experience provider, payment processor, cleaning service. Not sure how many of you would have come across this term called Airbnb. What Airbnb does is, I have a house. I want to allow this on, for example, you are coming from some other country. You come to India, you want to stay. I allow my house for you to be stayed, saying that this is an experience where I covered. So I am a host, you are the guest. There are local experience provider. You wanted maybe a car in Chennai. So that is called a local experience provider. Some payment processes are there. Within my house, some cleaning services are needed. All this is part of an ecosystem that is created by Airbnb. Uber links you, links a driver, links certain payment processes in between, links maybe a fuel station. All these are linked together as part of a service ecosystem. We have three types of ecosystem: innovation ecosystem, platform ecosystem, and service ecosystem. Let's check the practical example if I have. Check, I have not added practical example. I've added it here itself. Innovation ecosystem example is COVID-19 vaccine development, where everyone collaborated together. Platform ecosystem is the Apple's App Store or Google's Play Store. That's the ecosystem within which you have to work. And service ecosystem is providing integrated services. Together. The Airbnb will provide you a house, will provide you a cab facility, will provide you the cleaning facility, will provide you the payment facility. All this will come as part of the service ecosystem. There's a doubt whether Uber won't come in platform ecosystem. No, platform ecosystem is basically using multiple apps. For example, Apple will give a platform for you to showcase your app. Uber doesn't give you a platform to showcase your app or talent. Basically, Uber is a service ecosystem which is trying to link a service provider like a taxi provider with a requirement for a customer, Three flywheels. This can also come in exam. Three flywheels. What is a flywheel is? It is basically a wheel, and the objective is this wheel has to keep rotating. The wheel has to keep rotating at maximum speed. If it rotates at a maximum speed, company will get benefited. benefited. First flywheel is data flywheel. What is data flywheel is, today many people are using Instagram. Many people are using Instagram. When it was introduced, objective of Instagram was add more and people, more and more user. As more and more user forms part of Instagram, you also get interested in joining Instagram. You also get interested in joining Instagram. If everyone starts using WhatsApp, if everyone starts using WhatsApp, today everyone, other people are saying, let me also get into WhatsApp, let me also get into WhatsApp. What is data flywheel is, collecting more and more richer data. Sorry, that is growth flywheel. Sorry, growth flywheel. What is growth flywheel is, attracting more customers and partners, attracting more customers and partners to make it more valuable, to make it more valuable. As more and more people join, as more and more people join, you also feel that you need to become a part of it. You need to become a part of it. That's called growth flywheel, where objective is, I want more people to use it. I want more people to use it. Once you start using it, I can have cost flywheel. What is cost flywheel is, reducing the cost by spreading cost over large number of units, when a lot of people started using Amazon service, my cost gets spread over so many customers or so many products. What is data flywheel is, collecting maximum data of the user, collecting maximum data of the user. As I collect more and more information about you, as I collect more and more information, I am able to provide better insights and decision. Netflix collects a lot of your data. Netflix collects lot of your information. When Netflix collects more and more information, its ability to provide meaningful items to you or meaningful content to you improves. That's the first flywheel. Data flywheels collect more and richer data. Second is growth flywheel, attracting more customers. And third is cost flywheel, reducing cost by spreading cost. Once all these three flywheels are in place, the wheel will keep rotating at a momentum, will keep rotating at a faster speed, and the companies get benefited out of it. Just give me a minute. I'll show the diagram which is there. More and richer data, that is called data flywheel. More and richer data. If I get more and richer data, deeper and better insights. More users, if there are more users, improved value proposition. People feel it makes sense for me to be part of this application. And spreading fixed cost. So as one flywheel starts happening, it will give effect to the second flywheel, it will give effect to the third flywheel. Objective is to reduce cost. So I have three flywheel. One is called growth flywheel, cost flywheel, and data flywheel. Again, a question can come on this. Area. Let's look at in our book. A business ecosystem is a network of organization which includes supplier, distributor, customer, competitor. It is like a community of organism, animals adapting to survive, Ecosystem can give you new strategies for competitive advantage. You need to decide whether you want to engage in ecosystem, what is the opportunity, what is your role, what kind of value you will get, what benefit you will get, and how you can evolve over time. Go through this and tell me what is right. Take 1 minute. It will take you 1 minute to read this. Read it, and then live online guys, type it. You decide the answer. Go through it. Now onwards, certain examples are also there, so it becomes easier. Okay, I've started getting answers in live online. What's the answer? See, first one is emphasizes competition over cooperation. No, I need to do both. I need to kind of play both. Business ecosystem comprise only supplier excluding competitor. No, I need to include competitor, government agencies, everything. network of organization, delivery of specific product through what? Competition and cooperation. Competition, and Amazon and Flipkart are fighting together. I don't say no to it, but they are also indirectly helping in creating a market. They're indirectly helping in creating a market, leading to coexistence and co-evaluation of organization. Business ecosystem refers to the isolated evaluation. No isolated, you'll have to do it together. Any doubts on this? Then types of ecosystem. I have innovation ecosystem. Together strive for innovation. Together strive for innovation. Platform ecosystem. Complementary product around single product or service. Service ecosystem. Exchange of value. Pharma companies did something called as an innovation ecosystem. Three flywheels. Data flywheel, learning effect from more and richer data. More and richer data. Growth flywheel, network effect from more users and partners by offering them improved value proposition. If more people are there, see today I want a carpenter. I want a carpenter. There are certain services which are available online, and if in that service multiple people are joined together, if multiple carpenters are available, multiple AC technicians are available, then I'll use Urban Clap. Otherwise, I'm not going to use the Urban Clap app if very limited availability is there. If I have multiple availability, multiple options are there, I will go ahead and use it. Then cost flywheel, spreading the cost, spreading the cost. All these three are interrelated. If data flywheel starts happening, maybe growth flywheel starts happening, cost flywheel effect will come into picture. It is a interrelated item. Any doubts on this? Any doubts on these flywheels?